come telling about the party. You see, but me have time now. Run my mouth kind of white because aftermaths I already deal with. You understand? Big up to the real father them. Yeah, man, I did name something so I aftermaths this, you know. Yeah, really, I aftermaths this. This I aftermaths when me just done yam. So big up to the real father them. Big up to the father them when I run left them picnic. Channel star. Channel youth. Channel dog. Feel the one there now. Alright. Yeah man, but big up to the father them. When I run left them picnic, them take care of them picnic. Channel youth. Feel that. Feel that man, feel it. Hey. Hey. But anyways, yeah. Look, like you go off and take care of me. Would I fuck you? Sad pan both outside. Mother's Day and fuck. I know yo, me could have one. Them could at least left me with one. Two of them run. Channel star. Not if I bother them take. Anyways, so guys. I never tell them about the party. Are you too late to me tell them, cause you know, feel like you're too late. Alright, let me tell them. Whoa! Let me tell you now. Never want, hold on. I'm not charging. Why the fuck this is not charging? Why this is not charge? Bumbuckler. Guys. Yo, I'm telling you something. I'm gonna make a statement. Nobody watch me, you know. Nobody watch me, brother. Yeah, I couldn't know, yeah? And nobody watch me, brother. So me I go party, brother. I go want different party. You hear that? That me I couldn't know. Tell me how to know that. I don't do that. Me nobody come watch me thing. That me I couldn't know. Yeah? Nobody come watch me, brother. I enjoy myself in the youth. That I couldn't know. That, yeah. Cause wife a wife. And dog a dog. That I couldn't know. Anyways. So guys. Tell you something. I'm telling you something. Nobody watch me, brother. I enjoy myself at party, you. Yeah, I couldn't know. Nobody watch me, brother. Wife a wife, dog a dog. Nobody watch me, brother. Go enjoy my life, brother. Yeah, I couldn't know. Life sweet, rip, bumbuckler. Who a dog? Nobody's not dog. When I hear me, I drop my word. Don't come in night. Dirty dog shit. You're too enough. Look off a TV, yeah. and go on with tour with them. Time I don't wait for the tour with them down. A long time I don't wait for the tour with them down. Chat! Guys! Hold on, let me take off that real gold chain, because this a TikTok chain, no matter pussy, suck out your mother boy. Me nah no icky. I don't yo, mute the page there, mute the Batman page there. Too much chain, it sound like medal. Mute the page, you know? Alright, so guys, because I'm in my yard now, you know. Someone can't talk. Nobody can fight me. So first, me I start off with TT. TT did look very nice. TT did look very fucking nice. You see it, and TT smell good. You see, because when TT smelled very fucking good. You see it. And Jayden did look good. Nobody else never looked good. So dear honey. Oh, tell a good joke me around, man. Tell a good joke. You did look good, man. You did look good, man, honey, man. Oh, God, man. How you move, sir? Tell a good joke me around on the live, man. Oh, God, man. Just do me a little favor, man. Yeah. So, guys, honey did look good, too. I was forced. You see it? And it did look good. TT just like a bit she go, but she can't go on. D did look good, and D did smell good. But remember that wig there from when she and Jillian did that fight. So I see him wig. But D did look good. Yeah. And Nippy. Why you when him Nippy? Him did look very sexy and very he did look good. No, him tough. He think tough. Him woman did look so fresh and nice with a nyama out from top to bottom. Me no mean like bottom, like me woulda eat bottom. Me no mean that. Me mean like toe. Me mean like toe, like you see. Me mean like head to toe. Me no mean bottom. Cause this is no TikTok police. We buy it from up top. Come way down. You see. You understand? You understand me I say? Zuma never look good. Zuma never look good. Zuma never look good. Me I tell you that from now. Zuma did look thing. When Zuma come off his stage, Zuma sweat like hog. Zuma sweat like dog. Zuma did look think. Zuma this me on stage, man. Yeah. I'm not gonna give no good comment. Zuma did look think. Zuma think you fuck Frozy. Tell me after that. Jimbo did look great. Mr. Jimbo in an old man clothes. Jimbo can't look like an old man still, but Jimbo did look clean. Yeah? Jimbo did look clean. You see it? And Zuma never have no money for buy no rum. You see it? And me take out look money out and pocket and go give him. Me give him just to go and talk on the life. You see, that's how me talk. Me give people things to come chat about it. So me stay. Yeah? So me give Zuma money. And Zuma could have buy water and so. Jimbo did think. No, not Jimbo. Zuma did think. Guys. Me see some. Hold on. We'll go over here so and chat it. Because it look like you not really hear me, you know. We'll go over here so and chat it. Hold on. Guys! Wait, hold on. Hold on there, guys. Hold on there. Go over here, so. You go over here, so. Guys! Bumbo rascal out to do something here, man. Charge your fucking phone. Hold on there, my chat. Guys, me see somebody. This is somebody in a full pink. Me I wonder if a gym we are or beach. Wait, hold on. Me I wonder if I need beach or away. How can I say now? Wanna help me now? Wanna help me there? Me I read. Me I wonder if a beach or river we did that or sports day. Me I wonder, you know. We are how much? We are look up it. Hold on. The phone ring. Honey. You know I love you, you know look who joke me around. Alright, lower for your case. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay, no problem. Alright. But you like a beach and like alright, make it on. But why you just like a beach? Alright. Make it on. Or if I need to go, make it stay. Make it on. Okay. Guys. I never alone in a full pink. But anyways. Jagger. How much shoes Jagger have? No, not slime. Jagger. How much shoes him have? I wonder how much shoes Jagger have. How much shoes him have? 2. Oh, 2. Jagger did clean, man. Jagger did clean. Jagger put on new clothes. Jagger did clean, man. You know? It's when we did at the party. Alright, more start it off from walk going at the party. So we're going at the party. Oh, CC. Tidy up your room. No watch that. Oh, Shannel. Oh, what Shannel did dress? Oh, Shannel did dress again. I can't forget, you know. Oh, Shannel did dress. Black. Yeah, Shannel can't go on, you know? Shannel can't go on. But guys, that's when we in a party. Me in a party. Me enjoy the party. Let me tell you, me enjoy the party up to a pint. And I mean, I cleanest thing in a party. Me, I cleanest thing in a party. Bro, yo, tell me the truth, dog. Me are the cleanest thing in a party, bro. Tell me not my, just tell me not, bro. I'm not about no self-praise. Me are the cleanest thing in the party, bro. Not even Jabass. Jabass can't have a blood clot dress with him big fucking belly. Jabass cannot dress. You see Jabass in our white, look white boot like a trap him a go do. And you see me now look a white shirt like a my manager for gym. Cannot dress. Oh. Anyways. Yeah, Jabass can't dress, bro. And me, I cleanest thing in our party, bro. Hands down. Nobody, bro. Me, I cleanest thing in our party, bro. You see? CC did look nice. Yeah, CC did look nice. Me not lie. CC body big. CC bottom big. Bumbo cloth. See like mother take a bite. Yeah man, CC bottom big. Now look good. One time, me did want to come chat something, you know. One time me go right near CC, me say CC, what go on? Just come, me did want she talking on my face, you know. You see it, and I swear to God, if I remote the think, me da go and tell you, no. Yeah! Me go up close to her just to see if I more think. Cause me definitely look out tell you, no. Come would I say your bottom big and your more think that don't make no sense. And that would I go tell you, no, if I more the think. You go to her so say see everything good. And see say, yeah man, I'm good man. I'm good. I say, alright, the mouth smell good, baby. Go in that car and do something, man. You go in that car. I'm saying no bother. I'm saying no bother, man. Test me, man. No, say me. No, say me. I mean, I tell her that. Me, I tell her, yo. Me, I tell her that. I lie, me, I tell. What the fuck? Me, I lie. The official. They look good. But I did the same wig from the last time she and Jayden did that fight. Can I remember the wig there? Yeah man, they look good man. Me can't go come here so and tell no lie. Cause they look good. They never look good. LD never look good. So you want to lie? LD never look good. LD cannot dress. LD dress like a shopping imago. Akiwak. Gyalis. Yo, Akiwak a Gyalis. Akiwak a Gyalis. Is it? Akiwak a Gyalis. And to any woman out there, that Jabass there with, Jabass walk around and look all of the woman them in the club. That is Jabass. So screen recorder, put this out. Put this out so Another time. Another time, I see somebody going in car. I'm on there if you talk it, If you talk it. I did have an ex. Calculate that. Man, I don't calculate that. Calculate that. Man, definitely calculate that. Or 39 good. Me did have a ex. Me and the ex they never let me. Me and the ex they not let them no more. Calculate that. Just want to calculate. Just want to calculate that. Just want to calculate that. Want to add up in maths. I want to tell me. How? How that? Why not call? Bro, me never call a name, you know. Me never call no name. Me never call no name. I wanna put things together and get it right. Me never call no name. Anyways, but guys. Anyways, move along. Mika never did it. Mika never did it. Mika never did it. But you could at least. You could at least rest, you know. Jesus Christ. You could at least rest the thing, man. And wait. Remember, man. Jesus Christ. Anyways. Guys, anyways, as we did say, I'm gonna put the match together. The match not put together. Alright, to no last. Me last, you know. Get a youth. No. Nah, get no youth. Can't do the maths. Did go home. TT did go home. Jayden never did it. Kevin wasn't there. Ladies, I'm gonna say something to you. Please, don't look like a careless woman. Me I beg you, please. Me I beg you. You see if you no go party, you see if you not go party, you have to make sure you have some of you sleep or no say you have a drive set you go back down. Don't bring on yourself careless, bro. You see it? Because we end up asleep at somebody's place we don't know. You see it? And you like an ends girl. And no man now go take them woman they serious. Them go just look upon them like an ends girl. So make sure you have some of you sleep, and make sure if you don't have no of you sleep, make sure you have a ride and go back down, bro. You see it? Because we look like a ends girl. And there's nothing what you can say if we're in a position there, bro. And if you think smart. So I'm gonna pick up that, you know. Let me see red flag then my gun. Guys, anyways, moving along. Moving along. Moving along, my team. Yeah, man, like TT love me off, man, I tell her. I have your vex money too, bro. Have your vex money, bro. You see it? Because we end up asleep at some place with some people who don't even know. And that not look good for you, bro. That not look good, father. You see it? That not look good. You see it? No, yeah, man. Yeah, TT look nice. Yeah, TT look nice, boy. It's TT, but he a jiggle. Shannel star me, I tell him. Yo, Shannel. Yeah, in the party, bro. I be a girl a wine me. Mount a girl. Till I'll bum buckle at Zuma. Gone for a fucking stage at this man. Bonnie and Pum Pum. I can't believe Zuma this me. Yo, my dog. Yo, my dog. Yo, you see after that, bro, ask Zuma what you get. After Zuma come off his stage, I will go outside, ask Zuma what you get. You know, ask him. Ask Zuma what you get, bro. Good morning, RJ. Good morning. You see it. Two girls pray me one time. You see it. Sit down back. Sit down beside CC. I look on CC. I put that turn up. You see it. I did that turn up and I say, alright. And my tongue did that stiff up. So I say, alright. I move from saying that because I not get no more. So. You see it. And the Rasta girl come and wind up on me. This girl wind up on me, you know. I say, no, so that girl want to give me peace. That girl will want to give me peace. You see it. See, you know what I do? I say, LD, you know. Go on home. Go on home with her. Go on home with her. LD, you know, go home with the two Rasta girl. You see it. And then one of them did a wait for me if it do things, you see. So I'm sorry, alright. Then I come out of the club. One next one. You girl now? Can you give me a backers? I say, wait. Somebody did ask before you. You see it? Somebody did ask before you. Somebody say, you wait, listen. You see it? And so when she wait did so, and I'm a car go. So around 3 backers make go the night there. You see, 3 backers. You see it. Guys, I could have come in already, you know. You see, anytime when you see me now start my life, just know says a mission me depend. You see it. Alright. Anytime I start my life, a mission me depend. So 3 backers give it a night there. You see it? Yeah, man. So, I joke me, I make man. Not believe me, but not believe me about the life part. But I joke me, I make. But hear me, I say. So, me give me one fast backers, run on one side, run on side there. So, I'm just put in my thing. Raw me do it, man. You see it? Cause me is a man who love raw, you know. You see it? So I really 3D, you know, me I wait for see if me get shot. You see it? So I see next time the other girl did run on next car and I wait for me. You see it? So I'm gonna give her a backers too. The one that did long because remember some did forward. We did forward. Batman, stop selling cat, brother. Remember some did forward already, you know. You see it? So the one they take long. You see it? The one they take very long. You see it? So around 15 minutes, we only give some back shot. You see it, and then we go back in our club. You see it. Me kind of smell frowns in our way because Check it out. No, I lie. Me never get a girl him. I lie. Oh yeah. I don't fear something smell away. Anyways, so when time me come so. I'ma come so. It's a blood clot. Oh, that smells so. That smells like a sardine. So how that smells so? Something alright. And then, I say, you know what? I still should be teen. I mean, I say, life too short and long. So I still should be teen. I'm just stay 5 minutes on one because it never really smell good. You see it, so. Now I'm not taste that one because it never really smell good. You see it. Then I party a wine. I say Annie a wine. I say TT a wine. I say TT go on with some bag of madness. TT now want red panty. One red small panty. And TT bottom a jiggle. I see TT pan the ground. I see TT pan in the ear. I see TT in the sky. I see TT the heavyweight TT a mash up the party. You see it? I whisper in a TT ear. I say TT. You see why you go always win the man? You see why? When I look over there, so I see Shannel now go on with nothing. I say TT, you go always win the man heart. Because what? You know lame? You see it? So that I go tell TT and I tell TT that's a blood clot. TT go on worse, TT go on worse in that party. You see it? But I wonder if it thought this. If it thought this. I want to talk it to him. I want to talk it, I mash up it. I mash up the family. I want to talk it, my out. Let me talk it, dog. Them now want to bring me nowhere. 3-wheel let me talk. Watch. One more cloud. Why them not like me? One more cloud, them not like me. Jesus Christ. What you mean don't? Me not go talk it, but if me get 3-wheel, me I talk it. Or who can beat me? You know see how far me there? Oh. Happy Father's Day. Not tell me no father. Not tell me no Happy Father's Day. Your old fridge. Go suck out your mama, girl. Good morning. Happy Girling Day. What? Me a Girling? Me a Girling. We're not looking, you know. Guys. Stop telling me about Father's Day, no brother. Oh, I'm telling you, my youth. Now come remind me about father. You know why you about no father, brother? Me crash out, you know. Don't want me crash out. Now me crash out. Oh. Do not make me crash out. So guys, who the live now? Who the live? Who the live? Who the live? Annie D
Hey, but now I'm a great man. Oh God. Why, Jayden, what's popping, locking, man?
D.
Yo there.
Oh, rate Zuma from 1 to 10. You rate Zuma fit from 1 to 10, my party.
Rate him fit. When did I want? No one jeans pants, I want a nice t-shirt. White t-shirt.
What? Eh? I'm talking talk back.
What you talking about?
I talk him talk back. Eh?
What, Jayden? Jayden, what can me stress on me car? Me just dash for myself, you know, me can't do this. Me stress, me.
Eh? Eh?